In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Threads app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from Threads app, then follow these simple steps to disable them. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to do this is pretty simple. Just go ahead and find your Threads app and then access Threads app info page either through settings, or the shortcut method is just to long press on it, and then you should see this pop-up app with app info. However, depending on your smartphone version, you might be missing this app info, but you should have a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just go ahead and tap on any of the above to access Threads app info page. Now at this point, head over to permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. As you can see, it is turned to yes. If you open notifications, here you can see all these notifications, among them notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen notifications, play sound, vibration, and permanent notifications are turned on. It is for this reason you have been receiving those alerts. To disable them, instead of turning one by one off here, just go ahead and toggle off show notification option on top here. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive those alerts from Threads app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Threads app notification. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.